Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to science class. Let's discuss unit number 5, elements, mixtures and compounds. We will read page number 57 to 60. First of all, we will discuss atoms. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. An ancient Greek philosopher named Democritus suggested that all matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles called atoms. Modern research has shown that each atom is made up of tiny particles called electrons and a nucleus containing protons and neutrons. Electrons. An electron is a particle of the atom. It is negatively charged and revolves around the nucleus in a specific path called an orbit. Protons. A proton is a positively charged particle which is present in the nucleus of the atom. Neutrons. The neutron is a neutral particle which is found in the nucleus of the atom. It has no charge. It is equal in mass to a proton. Elements. An element is a substance that is made up of atoms of the same kind. For example, carbon is an element made up of carbon atoms, oxygen is made up of oxygen atoms, and hydrogen is made up of hydrogen atoms. Remember and understand. An atom is the smallest indivisible particle of the matter. An atom is made up of positively charged proton, negatively charged electron, and neutral neutrons. Electrons are present in orbits or shells around the nucleus of an atom. The nucleus of an atom contains proton and neutron. An element is made up of atoms of the same kind. Metals and non-metals. Elements can be divided into two groups: metals, non-metals. Metals. Metallic elements have following characteristics. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. They are mostly solids except mercury. They usually have high melting and boiling points. Aluminium, silver, gold, and copper are some examples of metals. Non-metals. Non-metals have following characteristics. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity. They are found in all three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. They have low melting and boiling points. Carbon, oxygen, iodine, and sulfur are some examples of non-metallic elements. Remember and understand. Elements can be classified into metals and non-metals. Metals are strong and shiny. They can be drawn into wires and can be beaten into foils, plates. They conduct heat and electricity. Non-metals are poor conductor. They are found in solid, liquid, gas. They cannot be drawn into wires or beaten into plates. They do not conduct heat or electricity. Students, this is your homework. Do reading of Unit 5 from page number 57 to 60. Remember and understand page number 58 and 60. Thank you.